Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream from Malai. First, gather enough Malai, which is the thick cream skimmed from boiled milk, over a few days. Store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Before you begin whipping, make sure your Malai is thoroughly chilled, preferably for at least 8 to 12 hours. This cold temperature is crucial for achieving a light and airy texture. Now, transfer your well-chilled Malai into a cold mixing bowl. You can even chill your bowl and whisk attachments in the freezer for 15 minutes beforehand to help maintain the cold temperature. Start whipping the Malai on a low speed, then slowly increase it to medium-high. Keep whipping until the Malai thickens and soft peaks start to form, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once you have soft peaks, it's time to add your sweeteners and flavorings. For a standard batch, incorporate about 2 to 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Powdered sugar dissolves more easily, preventing a grainy texture. You can also add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a classic flavor. Continue whipping for another minute or two until stiff peaks form and all ingredients are well combined. Your delicious homemade Malai whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. It's best served immediately to appreciate its fresh, airy texture. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. It might lose a little volume, but it will still be tasty. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.